In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change the background color of your Instagram stories. Now, if you've tried to upload some Instagram stories recently, you might have noticed that when you go to stories and try to post a photo and resize, this color in the background is actually decided by Instagram and there's really no way of changing it. But in this video, I'm going to show you a workaround that you're going to use. Now, it used to be that previously you could come here and select draw and then choose a color and then long press on the background. But as you can see, now all it does is cover your image. So I'm just going to undo that and go back. And I'll show you a workaround to get your own custom color or to change the color of the background. Now to do this, the first thing you have to do is obviously, first of all, prepare your photo. So either take the photo you want to post or make sure it's somewhere in your gallery. Okay. So I'm going to post this photo. Okay. And I want my own custom color in the background. So what you need to do is go to Instagram, go to stories, go to the camera option for Instagram stories. That launches the camera and you can take any random photo. So just take any photo like that. I just took a photo of my desktop. And once you do that, you can now change this color. So just come here, tap on the three dots, tap on draw, select a color from all these colors. Let's say I want to get orange. Tap on orange and then long press here, and that's going to add that color. Now we are going to use this as a backdrop or as the background of our Instagram story. So to add the photo, first of all, tap on done once you select the color. And then to add the photo, we're going to use stickers to add the photo. So tap on the stickers icon and then look for the gallery sticker. So this one, this photos sticker, it takes you right into your Photos app. For Android users, it's going to be a plus symbol that takes you into your Android phone's gallery. So I'm going to tap on this and it takes me into my camera roll or my Photos app where I can now select my photo and use it as a sticker. And then now I can resize the photo. I can tap on it to get different shapes, or I can just position it exactly the way I want. Okay. But as you can see, I have my own background color. I can even change the background color right now. So if I tap on that and tap on draw once again, I can choose a different color. I can even come here and choose a color from the photo. Once I choose the color, I can now long press and it's going to change the color to exactly what I want. Okay. And then when you're done, just tap on done in the upper right side. And now I'm ready to post my Instagram story, as you can see. And that is basically how to change the background color of your Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.